The Four Brothers. Greed is a curse. A greedy person can never be happy. In other words, greed is a root cause of all evils. There lived a farmer in a village. He was very kind and polite. He worked hard in his fields. He had 4 sons. They were very obedient. One day the farmer sent for his 4 sons and said, "My children, I have nothing, neither money nor land, to give you. Go out into the world and learn any business." The 4 brothers agreed and promised to return home after 4 years. Each of them set off in a different direction. The first brother met a clever thief. The thief taught him stealing the things. The second brother met a stargazer. He taught the boy to look at the stars and tell the future. He gave the boy a glass and said, "By this you can see everything in the world." The third brother learned his trade from a huntsman. The huntsman gave him a bow. "If you use this," he said, "you will always hit your target." The youngest brother met a tailor. The tailor taught him how to make the finest clothes. The tailor gave him a needle and said, "Use this needle, and no one can see the fine stitches done with it." 4 years later, the 4 brothers returned home. Their father decided to test them. The old man asked the second son, "How many eggs are there in the nest on the top of that tree?" The stargazer said, "4." Then the father asked the first son, "Can you remove the eggs under the bird?" The thief's son climbed the tree and stole away the eggs. Then the father put the 4 eggs on a table, 1 at each corner. "Now shoot," he said to the huntsman, "and hit them all with 1 shot." The huntsman hit all the eggs with 1 arrow. "Now," said the father, "put the eggs back in the nest." The tailor sewed the eggs carefully, and the thief took them up the tree and put them under the bird. "Well done," said the father. Now at this time, the news came that the king's daughter had been carried off by a dragon. The king told everyone, "If any man brings back my daughter, he can marry her." The 4 brothers decided to rescue the princess. The stargazer said, "I can see her on a rock. The dragon is beside her."